I've been hustling in the morning, in the afternoon and in the evening.
Giving the right to play is one of the fundamentals of learning. The year is about ending. Let's give our children the right to play and learn. It's all about Clinton Children's Party inside Clinton Lodge and Conference Center. Target. Bring your children to have fun, eat and drink. Let them meet old friends and make new friends. Clinton Children's Party. Your children will love it. Make them happy. Let them partake in activities like sack race, egg race, chair dancing, dancing competition, singing competition, eating competition, driving tour cars, and also reciting nursery rhymes, etc., etc. Time is whole day for the children, 6 to 6. Register your child today and you will never regret it. Clinton Children's Party, 30 cities per head, 25 Ghana cities from 2 and above. Venue inside Clinton Lodge and Conference Center. Target. For booking of tickets, call 0243 077 185 or 026 200 0000. Sponsors, Frosty Buy and Strike Fruit Drink. Don't forget this program will come live on 25th of December 2021. Also on 1st January 2022. Let's do this together. We say bye-bye to 21 and welcome 22. Zangma bi kana Clinton Lodge and Conference Center. Children's Party ma kabima da wum nyasem. Kamirika tam silma. Bunya dalente bala 25th December 2021. Katanago 25th man as antinya via pagi January. 1st January kacheka bi su balge. Zangma bi kana Clinton Lodge and Conference Center. Ko bati enjoy Children's Party ma. Bima nyela banyam puam pam dendale. Zangma bi kana ko kana te wum nyasem. Kati kanyu. Movables and drinkables ma. The non possible. Clinton Children's Party. We are happy.